Hello children, welcome back again in our next session of mathematics, and we were in chapter number 9, that is algebraic expressions and identities children. So in the last session we have seen multiplication of a monomial and a binomial, right children? And today I have already informed that we will see the multiplication of a monomial by a trinomial children. Okay, so the procedure will be same children. Now for example we will see, find the product 4p square plus 5p plus 7 in the bracket multiplied by whole bracket multiplied by 3p. Now if you observe children, here this is a trinomial, right? And here it is a monomial. This monomial 3p is multiplied for every term in the bracket. So one by one we have to just multiply it to the every term in the bracket, that is every term of a trinomial, and then write the answer final. Okay, so let us see stepwise how to do the multiplication. Now here if you see, first let us open the bracket, that is let us multiply the whatever is the monomial to the every term of a trinomial in the bracket. Okay, so let us begin. I'll take first one, 4p square multiplied by 3p. I'll put it in the bracket, addition, that is plus sign as it is. If in the bracket it is plus, take it plus children. If it is minus, take the minus, that is subtraction. Now next one, that is 5p multiplied by 3p. So I will take 5p multiplied by 3p in the bracket. Again here it is plus sign, so I'll write plus. Next one, that is the last term of a trinomial, is 7 multiplied by 3p. So I'll take 7 multiplied by 3p. Now if you observe children, each and every term in the bracket of the trinomial, I have multiplied it with the 3p, that is the monomial. So we got here the multiplication separate I have written in the bracket. If you write like this properly children, it will be very easy for you to understand as well as solve it. So now you will solve, we know how to solve this monomial to monomial. We will first multiply the coefficients of the term, that is 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12, and p square and p will be p cube, right? Plus sign as it is. 5 multiplied by 3, that is 15. P and P will be P square. P multiplied by P will be P square. Again plus sign. Here don't forget it is addition. Okay. 7 multiplied by 3, 21. There is no variable in the first term. Only P is here. So as it is, P will come. So if you see now children, here our answer is 12p square p cube plus 15p square plus 21p. So here there are no like terms, so further we cannot solve, we cannot add it, right? If there are like terms, you can add it children or subtract it, but if there are no like terms, you cannot add or subtract. So this will be the final answer. I hope this is clear how to solve, that is a monomial by a trinomial. So let us proceed with exercise 9.3, which we have already started. In that, question number 2. Complete the table. Here it is given, first expression is given, second expression is given, and product is asked. So if you see here children, it is a monomial here, the first one, and here it is a trinomial. Here if you see, the first expression is trinomial in the second bit, and here it is a monomial. So there is the product of a monomial by a trinomial. So one by one let us solve this. So the first one is A multiplied by B plus C plus D. So as I have already told children, whatever is the monomial here present, you have to multiply it with all the terms in the trinomial. Okay, all the terms in the bracket. So let us begin. In the first bracket, it will be a multiplied by b plus as it is. In the next bracket, it will be a multiplied by c plus in the next bracket, it will be a multiplied by d, which is nothing but equal to a multiplied by b will be ab plus a multiplied by c will be ac plus a multiplied by d will be ad. If you see all the variables, there is no like terms here. So we cannot further solve it. So it will be as it is. That is AB plus AC plus AD. So these all solutions, children, you have to write it in your classwork. Okay. So this is A multiplied by B plus C plus D is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C plus A multiplied by D. That is nothing but equal to AB plus AC plus AD. So if you open the bracket and solve it one by one, it will be very easy. First multiply if there is any coefficient and then multiply the variables. I hope this is clear and easy too. Let us proceed with the second bit in question number 2. Now here if you see, it is x plus y minus 5 multiplied by 5xy. Now if you see here, the first expression is a trinomial and the second expression is a monomial. So let us solve this first and then we will see a solution. I will write here again now one by one. I'll multiply x multiplied by 5xy. So each and every term in the trinomial, one by one I'll multiply with the monomial. So here x multiplied by 5xy in the first bracket plus next is y multiplied by 5xy. Next is here, if you see, it is minus, children. So I will write minus in bracket 5 multiplied by 5xy, which is nothing but equal to, now if you see here, here is no coefficient, so it is 1. So 1 multiplied by 5 will be 5. X multiplied by x will be x square and y as it is. So my first bracket, when my product will be 5x square y plus, now here again 5, y multiplied by y is y square and x as it is, so x y square. And the last bracket here, it is negative sign, so I will write minus 5 5s are 25, right? And xy as it is. I hope this is clear and there are no like terms, so we will stop here. It is 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 25xy. Let us see the solution once again. This you have to copy down in your classwork, children. So it is x plus y minus 5 multiplied by 5xy, which is equal to x multiplied by 5xy plus y multiplied by 5xy minus 5 into 5xy, which is nothing but equal to 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 25xy. So one by one, children, don't forget, first multiply the coefficients and then the variables. And don't miss any of the variable. So this is how we solve multiplication of a trinomial by a monomial. Let us proceed. So this is the fourth one. Now it is 4p square q square multiplied by, in bracket, p square minus q square. So here if you see, children, it is a monomial with a binomial. Okay, so fine, let us first solve. and then we will see once again the solution. Yeah, so it will be this monomial I will multiply by each term in the binomial in the bracket. So first bracket I'll have 4p square q square multiplied by p square, right? Then minus is there, so it will be negative sign, that is minus. Again in bracket 4p square q square multiplied by q square. So let us multiply now. Here the coefficient is 4, here the coefficient is 1. 4 ones are 4. P square will be p raised to 4. Everybody knows the rule now. P raised to square, that is a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n, is nothing but equal to a raised to m plus n. The powers are added. So p square multiplied by p square will be equal to p raised to 4. And here q square as it is, minus 4 ones are 4. Here again coefficient we have multiplied. P square as it is. Q square will be q raised to 4. So this is the solution, children. That is 4 p raised to 4 q square minus 4 p square q raised to 4. So here you can see 4p square q square is multiplied to both the terms in the binomial. So 4p square q square multiplied by p square minus 4p square q square multiplied by q square, which is nothing but equal to 4p square 4p raised to 2 plus 2, that is we have now used here the rule. So it will be 4p raised to 4 and q square minus as it is 4p square q raised to 4. So this is how we solve the multiplication of a monomial to binomial or monomial to trinomial. Procedure is same, children. The monomial we have to multiply to all the terms in the binomial. Either it will be a binomial or it is a trinomial. So first multiply the coefficients. First of all separate it in the brackets. Okay, and then multiply coefficient to coefficient and then variable to variable. Now exercise 9.3, question number 2, fifth one is a homework for you. I hope now it is very much clear and you will be able to do this. That is a plus b plus c multiplied by a, b, c. So what you are going to do in this, children, you will multiply this a, b, c, okay, to each and every term. This ABC is multiplied to each and every term in the trinomial, okay, which is there in the bracket. And only variables are there. There are no coefficients. So it will be very easy for you, okay. First solve it and then check your answer. So it is a very, very easy sums. I hope you all are getting, and keep practicing, children. Once it is done, you can do the try these sums are there in your textbook, that also you can try. So that will be a practice for you, children. So that's it. Today we will stop. So till now we have seen the multiplication. First of all, we have seen the addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, and then we have seen the multiplication of monomial to monomial, monomial to binomial, and monomial to trinomial. That is nothing but monomial to polynomials we have seen, children. Okay, so in the next session, again we will continue with the same topic. Thank you. Keep practicing.